Hi, if you want to try to host an HTML based website which is client side scripting and another content on your network, and you want to create a simple HTTP server at your machine, you could easily do this using this lightweight extensible HTTP network server, ABK SiteHoster. Currently, it's in a beta stage 0.5 beta. It can host any kind of HTML based website with client side scripting language, as I already told. It's purely built in Java. Path web docs, this means like entire path, absolute path to the folder in which all your web documents are present, and this is a mandatory thing that you need to provide. Then I'll be giving a small demo of it. Mainly these three files you get to download from this link, source code. This is the simple readme file which simply tells you like what different options give you what different kind of functionalities, and like if you wanna use it on Linux machines, in this source file you could simply like get the source file out, and in this replace this win32 by this POSIX, so the settings, and then recompile it, so the settings of the jar created will be for a Linux machine. So now like what we'll be doing is we'll be executing it. Yep, so like we have a jar here, so java space -jar space name of the jar file space absolute path where our web documents are located. In my case it is // a web docs. Suppose I don't want to give the additional arguments, so I'll simply stop here and press enter. I started this location as the default web document location and made it at port 80, and don't have any default page file. So currently what do is whenever we try to run it at suppose this or from another machine, using the IP of the machine, what it does is it will give this default page. Okay, yes, like then suppose you want to have a default page, so what you could do is as my documents I simply have index.html which I want to be the default page file, so space index.html, and this will work. Yep, it will work. Now you can see like HTML page with internal JavaScripts are working fine. Like this is a JSON example. These values are coming by JSON with an external JavaScript. Here it is importing external JavaScript and working fine. HTML page with external image working fine. Direct image loading, like directly the image is being loaded without any file, so like image transfer good. Now like transferring the media file, it will play. Yeah, it's downloaded and it's playing. So like